Hello guys, a very good morning to all and welcome to my healthcare YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about fever types and basic informations about fever. So let's start. Fever is also called as pyrexia and is the elevation of body temperature above normal. In normal adult, the average oral temperature is 37 degrees centigrade and again is mainly divided into types, that is hyperthermia and hypothermia. Hyperthermia means it's referred to extreme elevation in body temperature that is above 41.1 degrees centigrade and in Fahrenheit is 106 degrees Fahrenheit. And in hypothermia, it refers to an abnormally low temperature below 35 degrees centigrade, that is below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll discuss the places to check fever. First we have in the mouth, the ear, the axilla and the rectum. And here is the picture of checking fever in the mouth and axilla. And next is the different stages of fever. We have total 4 stages of fever, that is hyperpyrexia, very high fever and fever. In hyperpyrexia, more than 41.1 degrees centigrade we consider as hyperpyrexia, and in very high fever 40.5 to 41.1 degrees centigrade, and high fever is 39.4 to 40 degrees centigrade, and fever is more than 37 degrees centigrade, means more than 37 degrees centigrade to till 40 degrees centigrade we consider as fever. In this slide we'll discuss about causes of fever. Causes means the source or make, that is what is the source the persons may get fever. First we have the infections, it is very common, and next is cancer, and third is heat exhaustion, and fourth is side effect of certain medication, and fifth is immune disorder, and sixth point is overdressing. This overdressing causes mainly occur in the infant. So in the next slide we'll discuss about pathophysiology of fever. Here, pathophysiology means the functional changes that accompany a particular symptoms or disease. In this slide has given some example with infections, toxin and inflammations. This all will mediate to response in immune systems, that is in our antibody, and this leads to release our leukocyte. Leukocyte, it is a part of the body's immune system. They help to fight infections and diseases, and now this stimulate our pyrogenic cytokines. This cytokines, pyrogen is a substance, the infectious organisms or their product toxins or cytokines that provokes fever, and this result in hypothalamic endothelium productions or PGE2. It is a lipid molecule that promotes hormone-like effects in the body, and this result in elevations of thermoregulatory set points, and this leads to increase our heat production, and last it leads to fever. This slide will discuss about clinical manifestation or sign and symptoms of fever. First we have high fever and chills. The persons whoever have fever will be their temperature will be very high, and second point we have severe headache, and dizziness will be there. Dizziness means losing one's balance and a sensation of spinning around, and fatigue means feeling overtired and strong desire to sleep, and fifth number we have neck and body ache, and last we have nausea and vomiting. And more than these, other symptoms also may be present to the person who is suffering from fever. Now, types of fever. There are mainly divided in 4 types of fever. That is first intermittent fever, remittent fever, sustained or continuous fever, relapsing fever. Intermittent fever is the type or pattern of the fever in which there is interval where temperature is elevated for several hours, and in remittent fever it is a type of fever in which temperature does not baseline and remain above the normal throughout the day, and continuous fever it is a type of fever in which temperature does not touch the baseline and remain above the normal throughout the day, and last is relapsing fever. It is a bacterial infections that can cause recurring bouts of fever and headache, muscle and joint ache. Now we'll discuss benefits of fever. Fever have some benefits. First we have fight infection, and next we have slows bacterial and viral growth and increase white blood cells, and next we have increases our acute phase response, and next is speed recovery time, and next protects our body, and at last we have does not cause harm. These are the some benefits of fever. Now in this slide we will discuss about 5 fever reducing tips. That is, first we have offer plenty of fruits. Suppose one person is suffering from fever, will offer plenty of fruits so that it will help in prevention of dehydration. And next we will apply a lukewarm sponge bath. And next, dress in the lightweight and breathable clothes. And next we have provide comfort cover with the light sheet. And last we have use fever reducing medication as recommended by physician. These are the some points that we can help in reducing the fever. This is the last slide. We'll discuss prevention of fever. Here first we have warm water. Warm water help in reducing fever and prevention of fever. Next we have rinse and proper hand washing should be done. Eat vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in boosting our immune system. Protection masks should be wear properly, and regular exercise should be done, and enough rest should be taken to prevent from any infection and diseases. So this is the topics that we discussed today. If you like my video, please share and like and comment if you want to discuss more topic. Thank you.